Hello everyone, my name is Alicia Wagner, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about Betternet, a free VPN application. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about VPN deception, and then installing and using Betternet for Windows. So VPN, otherwise known as Virtual Private Network, is a service that extends a private network across a public network and enables its users to share data across shared or public networks as if you were directly connected to the private network. In other words, if you have a person at home and they want to connect to their work network, they can use VPN to connect from home to their private work network. Deception is an informational security strategy, which we're going to talk about both defense and attack. In terms of defense, deception can either be fooling a malicious actor where to attack and fooling them the degree of their success. So tricking them into thinking that they got information when they didn't, or they got farther than they actually did. In terms of offense, deception can be sending traffic that seems to be coming from inside a network, but it actually comes from outside, so that the attacker can gain information. VPN, as used in deception, for defense, if you have a VPN network set up, the only way to connect to that network would be to connect to it using VPN and through encryption. So that means all information that goes in and out of the network is regulated by this encryption. So if an unauthorized user tries to connect or tries to get information out, it won't allow them. In terms of offense, the VPN can be used by having a different IP address from where they actually are. So it's harder, much harder, to trace an attacker after the event has occurred. Another way is the attacker can disguise themselves as part of the internal network. So when they're manipulating information and taking information, it doesn't set off any alarm. So Betternet, as a VPN service, it's free. It's available across most platforms. The reason why I say most is because, unfortunately, there is no Linux version that I am aware of. But you got Windows, Mac, iOS, Chrome, and Android. And today, I'm going to talk about the Windows version, because I have Windows. To install Betternet, you just got to go to their website, www.betternet.co. Pretty simple. Just Google Betternet. Not hard. So you're brought to their main page, and all you have to do is scroll down past this image that you guys saw earlier, and then you just click on whatever version you want, which for all of the versions except for Windows, you have to go to whatever app store your device uses. But for Windows, just click it, click Get the App, and then it downloads it, run the executable to install, make sure you say yes to the administration privileges, click Next. I've already installed it, so I don't need to do this, but you just keep going. Done, you hit Finish. So when you launch Betternet, make sure you allow administrator privileges if it asks you. To show you guys what my IP address is before and after using Betternet, I went to this cool little IP location website. Just Google IP location. So I just entered in my current IP address, which says that I'm in Michigan. That is correct. In Michigan, if you click Connect on Betternet, it will do its cool little animation. Once it says it's connected, your IP address has changed. Now, I'm in California. I'm using the free version of Betternet, but the main paid feature is you can select your virtual location. So, for example, if I wanted to watch some anime on Netflix, but it was anime that isn't available on the US servers, then I can click Japan, and then my IP will be in Japan, so I could watch whatever anime Japan has to offer on Netflix. Before I forget, Betternet, when you exit out of it, it runs in the background. So if you, for some reason, don't want to be using the VPN anymore, you just hit the disconnect button. When that blue fades away is when you're disconnected. If you want to use Betternet, there's two main reasons, I would say. First reason being, if you, for some reason, you want to access some type of information that you can't access in your native country, and you want to change your IP to be on their servers so that you can access that information. Another reason is because you're connected to another server, your internet service provider can't really track what you're doing on the internet. So if for some reason you want to disguise or hide what you're doing on the internet, you can use Betternet. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in downloading and using Betternet, I have a link in the description box below. And if you're interested in any information regarding the making of this video, look in the description box. Thank you guys. Have a good day.